Hello, all you beautiful people. It's your girl Asia, the MUA, back with another edition of Naked Mole Rat Chronicles. Back with another edition of Harpo, who this woman? It's your girl Asia, the MUA, back with another edition of Adventures in Freelancing. If this is your first time seeing my naked face, I just want to say to you, welcome. If you are returning, you already know what time it is. What's up, A-lister? How you doing, girl? So I am one of those makeup artists that is a huge advocate of good skincare. Good makeup starts with good skincare. I'm gonna say that one more time for the people in the back that didn't hear me. Good makeup starts with good skincare. If your skin looks like trash, your makeup's not gonna look all that great. So take care of that face before you pile all those products on it, sweetheart. I can't tell you guys how many times somebody has sat down in front of me and shows me this super Facetune picture from Instagram and then is upset when I can't make them look like that picture on Instagram. Meanwhile, the girl in that picture on Instagram probably don't even look like the girl in that picture on Instagram. But anyway, we're not gonna get into that. That's a whole other video. So anyway, while I was at the beauty supply the other day, I was browsing, buying lashes and the little stuff that I like to get from there to keep my kit stocked. By the way, don't sleep on the beauty supply. There are amazing brands that are only found in that urban hood beauty supply. Y'all know the one I'm talking about. Don't sleep on them. Those products are really good. Brands like Nika K New York, Ruby Kisses, Absolute New York, Kiss New York. Those brands are solid. They perform very well and they're usually really affordable and really accessible. So don't sleep on the beauty supply, hunty. But anyway, like I was saying, I was browsing and I saw these. These are by Ruby Kisses, actually one of my favorite beauty supply store brands, and it's a charcoal peel off mask. I've always wanted to try one of these, but I've always been super scared. And these were like $1.49, so I was just like, why not? And since I'm not wearing press-ons, I decided, why not just record a video while I'm doing this? So I just cut the top off. I got two because I got a big old head and I didn't think one was going to be enough for me. So let's get into it. Okay, what do I do? This looks like wax. Okay. Let's bring it in some. It feels like wax also. It's very thick. The smell is pretty strong. But if it's gonna pull all this crap up out of my skin, then I can deal with that. The directions say to avoid eyebrows and hair. So I'm gonna make sure to keep this away from my nappy roots because I need them. Also my eyebrows, I also need those. But I want to make sure I'm able to peel off the whole mask. Oh, that is on eyebrow. Oh, shoot. Now I'm scared, y'all. Is this gonna pull my eyebrow off? This is definitely messy. I think I'm just gonna wipe that off because I am not trying to play with my eyebrows, okay? For nothing and nobody. Okay, see, I told y'all one was not gonna be enough for me. I'm squeezing the last little bit of product out of the first one. Maybe it'll take off my little mustache. What y'all think? Pull out some of these little chin hairs I got going on down here. I feel like it's like moving around. Like I didn't miss any spots, but it's like separating from some spots. Maybe my skin is just the weird skin that it's not gonna work with, but we will see. The directions say to leave on for 20 to 25 minutes. So, hey Siri, set a timer for 25 minutes.
Your timer is set for 25 minutes.
She's effective, girl. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes and like I feel like it's tightening up in some places, but in some places like right here I can literally feel it like dripping off of my face. It's also kind of dripped down onto my lip there and I'm scared to move it, but it feels really cool and it feels really tingly, so I'm hoping it's digging deep into my pores and pulling all of the crap out of my face. Because I wear makeup 5 to 6 days a week, so it's a lot of crap in my face. I cleanse my skin thoroughly, religiously, but still, I still see whiteheads and blackheads in my nose sometimes, and that's what I'm trying to like relieve myself of, trying this mask. So we're gonna wait another 15 minutes and see what happens. Okay, so the timer went off. It still looks a little damp in this area, so I'm wondering if I should give it a few more minutes. I think I should, because this, like this right up in here looks like vinyl. Like this right here still looks wet. So I don't know. It's still soft and sticky. This isn't sticky, so I'm gonna give her a few more minutes, y'all. I'm gonna give her a few more minutes, see what she do. Okay, so I'm kind of tired of waiting. Everything looks a little bit drier, so here we go. Let me zoom y'all in so y'all can really see what's going on, because every video I watch with the charcoal peel off mask looks like absolute torture. So I'm wondering what this is about to feel like. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Oh. Oh. Can y'all hear it? Oh. 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 I definitely lost some hair right there. My eyes is watering. Oh. Y'all, I'm like about to start crying. Oh. Look at my skin though. Yeah, see, that part wasn't all the way dry, but you know. I'm a little disappointed because I don't see all the little prickly things on the mask. Like, I got a few, but not like a whole lot. Like, not anything like I was expecting. So I got a few like little, you know, whiteheads, blackheads. My skin just looks cleaner, clearer, brighter. So this would definitely be something that I would be interested in doing like once a month. Let me go ahead and rinse the rest of this stuff off, and then I'll be right back to talk to you guys and give you my final thoughts. So I'm not mad at this mask. Like, my skin definitely feels cleaner, like deep, deep clean. It definitely looks brighter because it probably pulled so much old makeup residue that I probably thought I was cleaning effectively, but It doesn't feel like irritated. Like, the mask wasn't fun to take off, like, I can't lie about that, but I don't think it was as bad as like a lot of the videos and stuff that I had seen. My skin feels soft. It feels super soft. I do want to point out that the directions did say to apply the mask on top of clean dry skin, so I had gone in with my Dermalogica special gel cleanser after I did my Dermalogica pre-wash. These are two of my favorite skincare products, like hands down. This stuff is bomb. As far as the mask goes, girl, hide your edges, hide your eyebrows, because I definitely think I lost a few brow hairs over here on the tail end, but that's all right. That's what we got Spike Brow Pencil for. All in all, I think this is something I want to start doing like maybe 2 times a month, just to really clean my pores deeply. I use a cleansing brush, I use the Dermalogica, but I think this would take it a step further in like pulling out impurities and toxins in my skin. So I'm all for it. I give it a huge thumbs up. If you guys like this video, I would appreciate it if you did the same and gave me a huge thumbs up. I would appreciate it even more if you subscribe to my channel, and even more than that if you turned on the post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. Until next time, everybody, stay beautiful and keep your skin clean, y'all.